Here we have an iPad 4, an older iPad, and it was mailed here so we can replace the home button connector on the motherboard. There's a damaged home button connector on the board here. We're gonna extract the connector from the donor board, which is this one here, and we're gonna solder it back on the customer's board. But that was not the only thing that's wrong with the customer's iPad. We told the customer that he has an expanding battery, a battery that's expanding, and also a damaged digitizer Flux cable. We need to change all three. Customer agreed, he gave us the okay, and we're gonna go ahead and proceed with replacing the home button connector. Let's take a look. And I see that this connector was tampered with before. Look at this. We see scratch marks on the sides here. We do not know what's going on under, but this does not look good. Let's start by removing the connector and inspecting what's under, and we'll take it from there. We do see signs of flux, and we do see signs of a repair attempt. It's almost always the person who attempts the repair has absolutely no experience, and they think this stuff is easy. But that's how we stay in business. Right now I'm heating from the bottom. We cannot heat from the top, otherwise we're gonna damage the battery connector. And I think the pins, they still look good. Or the pads. I always say pins when I mean pads, and I say pads when I mean pins. Let's clean up. Very nice. Now we can prep the pads by applying solder onto them, and we're gonna reflow the connector that we're gonna remove from the donor board onto here. Okay, and that's perfect. Let's move this board onto the side and jump over to the donor board and extract this beautiful looking home button connector. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing. Apply heat from the bottom. Let's grab the customer's board, and we're gonna solder. Did I just drop it? Did I just drop that connector? I did. Okay, and right here I caught it before it went to the 9th dimension. All right, and we should be good. Let's wait until the board cools down a bit. And we're gonna check and see if all the pins are making a good connection. Very good. Solid, 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 and solid. All the pins are solid, and our job is done. Right, and we're all good. The job is done.